Espresso. This is the foundation of many coffee drinks, made by forcing hot water through finely ground coffee under pressure. It is strong, concentrated, and served in small shots. Its bold flavor and rich crema on top define what true coffee intensity feels like. Americano. This drink is created by adding hot water to a shot of espresso. It softens the intensity while keeping the deep coffee flavor. It became popular when people wanted a longer drink without losing the essence of espresso. Cappuccino. A balanced mix of espresso, steamed milk, and a thick layer of foam. It is known for its equal proportions, creating a creamy yet airy texture. The foam on top gives it a soft finish and a slightly sweet taste. Latte. This coffee uses a shot of espresso combined with a larger amount of steamed milk and a thin layer of foam. It is smoother and milder than cappuccino. The high milk content makes it approachable for those who prefer less bitterness. Flat white. Originating from Australia and New Zealand, this drink is similar to a latte but uses less milk and a finer microfoam. The result is a stronger coffee flavor with a velvety texture. It feels richer without being overly heavy. Macchiato. This drink starts with espresso that is lightly stained with a small amount of milk. The milk softens the sharpness without overpowering it. It remains closer to pure espresso in taste. Mocha. A blend of espresso, chocolate, and milk. It combines the bitterness of coffee with the sweetness of cocoa, creating a dessert-like drink. It is popular among those who enjoy a sweeter coffee experience. Cortado. This coffee consists of equal parts espresso and warm milk. The milk reduces the acidity while keeping the coffee strong. It is smooth, balanced, and served in a smaller portion. Ristretto. This is a shorter version of espresso made with less water. It is more concentrated and slightly sweeter with less bitterness. Its flavor is intense but refined. Lungo. This is an espresso made with more water than usual. It extracts more from the coffee grounds, resulting in a larger and slightly more bitter drink. It offers a different depth compared to standard espresso. Doppio. Simply a double shot of espresso. It doubles the intensity, caffeine, and flavor. It is often used as the base for larger coffee drinks. Affogato. A dessert-style coffee where a shot of hot espresso is poured over a scoop of ice cream. The contrast of hot and cold creates a rich and indulgent experience. It blends coffee and dessert into one. Iced coffee. This is regular brewed coffee that is cooled and served over ice. It keeps the familiar taste but feels refreshing. It is often enjoyed in warm climates. Cold brew. Made by steeping coffee grounds in cold water for many hours. This slow process creates a smooth, less acidic drink. It has a naturally mellow and slightly sweet profile. Nitro coffee. Cold brew infused with nitrogen gas. It creates a creamy texture and a cascading visual effect when poured. The result feels almost like a coffee version of a smooth draft drink. Turkish coffee. Prepared by boiling very finely ground coffee with water and often sugar. It is served unfiltered, leaving grounds at the bottom of the cup. Its strong flavor and thick texture make it unique. French press coffee. Made by steeping coarse coffee grounds in hot water and then pressing them down with a plunger. It produces a full-bodied drink with rich oils. The process is simple yet deeply flavorful. Pour-over coffee. This method involves pouring hot water slowly over coffee grounds in a filter. It allows control over extraction, resulting in a clean and nuanced flavor. It highlights the subtle characteristics of the beans. Instant coffee. This is pre-brewed coffee that has been dried into powder or granules. It dissolves quickly in hot water. Its convenience makes it widely used, even though the flavor is simpler. Drip coffee. A common brewing method where water passes through ground coffee in a machine. It produces a consistent and easy-to-drink cup. It is often found in homes and offices. Vietnamese coffee. Known for its strong brew and use of sweetened condensed milk, it is often served iced, creating a bold yet sweet contrast. Its preparation style gives it a distinctive character. Irish coffee. A combination of hot coffee, whiskey, sugar, and cream. It blends warmth and richness with a slight kick. It is often enjoyed as an after-dinner drink. Bulletproof coffee. This coffee is blended with butter and oil, creating a creamy and energy-rich drink. It is often associated with specific diet trends. Its texture is smooth and filling. Filter coffee. Popular in South India, this coffee is brewed using a metal filter and mixed with milk and sugar. It has a strong aroma and is often served frothy. It reflects a deep cultural tradition. Black coffee. This is simply coffee served without milk or sugar. It highlights the pure taste of the beans. Its simplicity allows the natural flavors to stand out clearly.